Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, we will practice more about the cross product for solving this equation. And about the cross product, let me revise you a little bit. A over B equal to C over D. And cross product is mean A will be multiply D, and then you got B times C. Okay, so that's not too difficult, right? How can you apply for each question is here. 64 first. 8 will be multiplied, 8 will be equal to 36 times 7. So if I want to figure out 8, I have to take 56 multiply 7 divide by 8 and simplify it right now. 56 simplify 8, you got here is 1, here is 7. 7 times 7, you got 49. 265 and will multiply 13 cross line, and 91 multiply 8. So for figure out n or subject n, the divisor will be here, and you got this one. 13 will be the denominator. 13, and here you got here is 7, here is 1. 7 times 8, you got 56. The next question is 266, 49 times 9, and then 63 times z. You want to figure out z, you have to divide 63 in here. Yep. And simplify 9 and 63, you got here is 7, here is 1. 49 divided by 7, you got 7 one more time. So z will be equal to 7. That is the way how can you apply the cross product for solving each equivalent fraction or each proportion. And 267, you got 56 will multiply 9 equal to 72 multiply y. Okay, 56 times 9 over 37 equal to y. And simplify 9 and 72, you got here is 8 and here is 1. 56 divided by 8 equal to y, so we got here is 7. 268, you got 5 times 117, 65 times 8. And 5 multiply 117 divided by 65 equal to 8. Simplify 5 and 65, here is 1, here is 1 and 3. So 117 divided by 13, is that possible? Is that divisible? Yes, that is equal to 9. Okay, so we finished the fifth question. The next question is 269. Yeah, 4 will multiply 144, and b will multiply 64. So 4 times 144 divided by 64 equal to b. So simplify 4 and 64, you got here is 1, here is 16. And 144 divided by 16, is that possible? I think that is 8. No, is let me check it again. Yes, 9. Okay, so b also equal to 9. Yeah, that is the way how can you solve your working out for each question. Yes, so continue for this kind of question. And yeah, 270, 98 will be multiplied by p, and 154 will multiply by negative 7. So negative 7 is negative number. I have to put it inside the bracket for separate to the positive integer. And 154 multiply negative 7, and then 98. So p, yeah, how can we working out on this one? I think it can be simplified. Negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. Divide by 7 you got here is 14. Yeah, negative 154 over here, that will be equal to 11, negative 11. Next one, 271. 72 times q equal to 156 multiply negative 6. So put negative 6 inside the bracket. And then you got q will be equal to 156 multiply negative 6 and over 72. Simplify this by 6, you got negative 1 divided by 6, you got 12. Yeah, simplify the first step. A negative 156 over 12, this is will be negative. This is 136 divided by 12, you got 3. Yeah, negative 13 will be the answer for this question. Okay, do you have the right answer with me? Next question is 272. A will multiply 48, negative 8 multiply negative 42. So for here, negative times negative is positive, so maybe for the result I don't need to write down the positive sign anymore. And for this multiplication, simplify 8 and 48, you got 6 here. 42 divided by 6, you got 7. 273. B times 42, negative 7 times negative 30. Okay, so about B, negative times negative is positive. I don't need to write down negative anymore. Over 42 times 4 simplifying. Divide by 6, you got 5. Divide by 6, you got 7. 7 and 7, you got 1 left. So 5 left is a final answer for this question. Yes, so we continue. 274. 2.6 multiply 3, 3.9 multiply C, and then 2.6 multiply 3, 3.9 equal to C. Divide by 3, have 1, divide by 3, you got 1.3. 1.3, 2.3 divided by 1.3, is that easy? Yeah, that is double, equal to 2. And the next one, 275, 2.7 times 4 equal to 3.6 times D. Okay, 2.7 4 over 3.6 equal to D now. 4 divided by 4, you got here 0.9. 2.7 over 0.9 equal to D. Very easy to determine. The final result have to be 3. Yeah. And the last 2 questions, oh my god, last 4 questions. 276. 2.7 multiply 0 times 2 and G times 0.9. 2.7 times 0.2 over 0.9 equal to J. And simplify this one, divide by 3. Divide by 0.9, you got here is 1 and this one is 3. 0.6 will be G now. And about the next one, 2.8 times 1.5, 2.1 times K. Yep, 2.8 times 1.5 over 2.1 equal to K. Simplify by 3. Yeah, 1.5 divided by 3, 0.5, 0.7, and 2.8 times 0.5, and here is 0.7. Simplify one more time here by 0.7, and here will be 4. So 2 will be equal to K, the final answer. And the last two questions will be the hardest question. Rational, like a complex fraction over fraction. Yes. 2, 7, 8. And 1 over 2 multiply 8 will be 1 times m. This is simplified it first for m here, and then 4 divided by 1, so you got 4 will be the final answer. And the last question, 1 over 3 times n, that will be equal to 3 times 9 here. 1 over 3 times n equal to simplify it 27. N equal to 27 divided by 1 over 3. We already finished this one in the previous chapter. 27 times 3 over 1. This means 81 will be the final answer for this one.